If you're in need of an Office or Windows 10 key that doesn't break the bank, cdkdeals.com has the best deals with awesome discount for everyone who's watching this video. Just head over their website in the link in the description below and search for Windows 10 and click buy. But before you submit order, enter code MAC20 for a 20% off of your total order, meaning you can have a legit Windows 10 Pro key for only $16. After paying, you'll instantly receive your Windows 10 Pro key. Or if you want to check your orders, just go to their user center and choose purchase orders. Now all you have to do next is install Windows in your newly built PC and use your new Windows 10 Pro key for activation. And by the way, they also offer game keys for Steam, Origin, Uplay, and as well as antivirus software if you're in need of that. For more information, just visit cdkdeals.com, links in the description below. So today it's just going to be a very quick video tutorial on how to make your USB thumb drive into a Windows 10 installer. Hey, what's up tech people, this is Mac and welcome to our troubleshooting tutorial. Before we will begin, here are the things that you will be needing. Of course, a USB thumb drive with at least 8GB of storage and a working PC where we're going to create the USB Windows 10 installer. First, go to Microsoft.com and visit the software download / Windows 10 or just click the link in the description below for a quicker access. Scroll down and look for the Create Windows 10 Installation Media. Then click Download Tool. After downloading, just double click the downloaded files and choose Yes. Then this Windows 10 window will pop up. Read and accept the terms and conditions and wait for it to load. Now you will be asked to upgrade your PC or create installation media, and obviously we'll choose Create Installation Media, then click Next. Select language, architecture, and edition. If you wanted to change this setup, it is up to you. Just for now, we're going to click Next. Then we'll choose which media to use, and of course, we'll choose USB flash drive, then click Next. Look for the USB thumb drive you inserted and click Next. Then all you have to do now is to wait till it finishes the progress. After so, just click Finish. And your USB is now ready for a Windows 10 bootable flash drive. So just insert that USB in your newly built PC and install Windows. So that's it guys, this is Mac and I hope you found this video interesting and helpful. If it does, make sure to give us a thumbs up and share it. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.